Hello friends, Ashav here, and today I am going to show you how to make this toy. This I call a TIK TOK because it goes like this. It's open from one side, and when we try to close it from this and this side, any type, so it goes like this. When we close it, closed, but what is from the other side? And this opened up. TIK TOK, TIK TOK, and so on. I'm going to show you how to fold this model from just one square of paper. I have used a 15 by 15 centimeter square paper. So first step is we have to mark the paper into 3 equal parts. You can either use a scale or do the way I'm telling you. So if you have a scale, then mark it into thirds. Or not, if you don't have a scale, then you have to try taking one flap and take the other flap. So it would look like this. And then after you are done doing this, you have to just pinch it and do the same with the opposite side. First we have to divide it and then we have to pinch it. Once again, I am telling you all that if we are making thirds, it would look like an S, like a wavy line. Now you have to unfold and now fold this flap up till this pinch mark and run your fingernail on it. Turn over and fold this point down. Now you have to completely unfold. Now you would have a valley and a mountain fold. Here's the valley fold and here's the mountain fold. So first you have to take the mountain fold and fold it up to the valley fold. From here it looks like this. Once again, you have to take this point and fold it up. Now you have to turn over and now rotate it 90 degrees. And now you have to fold this point to the top. Now you have to make an airplane fold from here and here, like this and like this. Now fold this flap like an airplane fold. This point has a lot of creases, so we have to put a bit more pressure. And now do the same with the other side. This would be a bit easier. Now you have to unfold this paper. Now you have to take it and take the open side and open the pocket, and you have to take this point and fold it up like this and then close it and run your thumbnail on it. After you have folded that crease like this, you have to close it, and now you have to open this flap which is in the top. Now this flap won't open because of the creases we have just made. Now you have to fold this flap to your opposite side like this. So it's like this now. Now close it and run your thumbnail on it. Now you have to rotate it 180 degrees and fold this bottom crease to the top. Don't take all the bottom part, just take this much. And once it stops going up because of this crease over here, you have to fold it. And one more thing, this diagonal crease has to touch with this point right over here. So fold it like this. Now turn it over. Now you have to do the same with this side. Now you have to take your paper up, and you would notice after unfolding these two flaps, there is a flap like this. Now this fold is kind of a fun fold. So you have to try to separate these two papers. But be careful that they don't tear. Like this. So these flaps are separated like this. After you separate them, your paper would look like this. You would have the front line like this over here. Now you have to rotate it 90 degrees. So the front line would be right over here. So you have to fold this point up and add your thumbnail on it. Turn over, fold this flap up to the middle point. Now you have to unfold these flaps, and you have to make sure you fold it to these lines only. You can also pause or slow down my video if you have any confusion. Now you have to flip it over, and now look at this middle line over here. So you have to rotate it 90 degrees and fold this flap up. Run your thumbnail on it. Turn over and fold this flap up to the middle. Now you have to unfold this. Now you would see you have two 2x1 rectangles. This and this. Now you would see this 2x1 rectangle is divided into two equal squares, 1, 2 and 1, 2. Now you have to take this flap in the 2x1 rectangle and fold it like this. Now you have to do the same with this 2x1 rectangle like this and fold it up. Now this model should be same with the all sides. So you have to turn it again. Look at this 2x1 rectangle, 1, 2 and 1, 2. So you have to do the same with this side. Fold it up. Rotate. Fold it up. Now you have to fold not this flap, you have to jump to the next flap. So 1, 2 and you have to fold this point up to the top, just like we did with this point. So now this line would look like this. Turn it, and you have to do the same with this side. 1, 2, and fold it up. Now your full paper would look like this. Turn it over, and now you have to do the same with this side. 1, 2, fold it up, and rotate it where this 2x1 rectangle is, and 1, 2, and fold this flap up. Now the step which is coming in front of us right now is a tricky step, so watch it carefully, and if you aren't able to do it in one go, so you can pause the video and watch this again and again. So you have to just open this flap, so you would see one diagonal line is dividing the paper into half. So you have to take this flap and take it up like this, and now this line is like this, so you have to fold it like this. So this goes like this, and this thing automatically goes in, so it would look like this. I'll show you this once again. So it was like this. You unfolded it, pull this flap, so this goes inside and this also goes inside, and there's a thumbnail on it. Now you have to fold it from here to here diagonally into half. Now do the same with this thick crease little bit. So 1, 2, this is the thick crease. Unfold it, and you have to do the same with this side. Push it, it automatically goes inside this flap, and once again. So unfold this flap, and then you have to fold it like this. So it would look like this now, and you have to fold it up. Now you have to turn this over. You have to do the same with this side. So fold this flap like this. Once again, fold this flap like this. Fold it up. Rotate it, and now unfold this flap. Fold it like this and fold it up. Now your paper would look like a 4-bladed ninja star. Look at this. Now you have to make some reverse folds. So first you have to take one side and take the open part, which is like this, not from here, otherwise it would open. So here's it, and you can see this crease which is like this. You have to put the finger in your pocket, and you have to just simply push, 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 and like this. If you are confused, I'll do it once again for you. Open this flap, push. So from the side it would look like this, a square, and now you have to push and close this flap. Now you have to do the same with the opposite side, which is over here. So rotate it, this open flap, this crease. So open it like this and fold it reverse this square, and you have to just simply push. Now before we do this from the other side, we have to fold this flap down. Folding this flap down opens this flap. This flap has to go into this flap. This flap is open from here, so you have to fold it inside this. Now fold this flap like this flap, and do the same with this side. Open this flap, go inside, do this, and keep this flap a bit sharp. Now you have to do the same with this side. So you have to fold this flap like this. From the side it looks like this. From inside it looks like this, and you have to just push. I have to push it. So it looks like this. Now do the same with this side. This crease, open it. From inside looks like this. Just push it square and fold it like this. Now the paper looks like this. So you have to take the open flap over here, fold this flap right here. That opens this flap. Now this flap has to go into a pocket. Now there are two pockets. One is at the bottom and one is right over top. So this flap has to go at the top pocket. So just open the pocket and tuck it inside. So now it looks like this. Now you have to again fold it over here, and this opens this flap. This flap also has to go to the top pocket. Again telling, not this pocket, to the top. Now tuck it inside. Now your paper would look like this. So the open flap, take it up, fold it sharply. Now there is only one step left, which is just pressing this point and do it like this. So, and now you have to try doing the same with this side. Now your knick-knack is ready. This flap is open. Try to close it by pressing this and this 2 points, and try to close it, and this flap opened up. Now try to do this. It closed, but this opened up, and this. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it and subscribe my channel and share it to your friends.